The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel. This little gem has completely changed how I think about teaching my kids finance. And today I'm going to save you hours of reading by breaking down the 5 most crucial lessons for parents, so stick around. And in just a few minutes, you'll know if this book deserves a spot in your library or on your nightstand, or maybe not. Okay, so hey there. My name is Camille Bank for Mini Money Mentors, and today we're diving into this game changer for family finances. Now, you might be thinking, great, Camille, another finance book. Okay, I get it. But here's the thing, this isn't about complex strategies or get rich quick schemes. It's about mindset and behaviors that drive financial success. And that's exactly what we want to instill in our kids, right? So, let's jump into the top 5 lessons that I got from this book that can essentially enable you to start teaching your kids today. Because with this video, you already know what's up. So essentially, you don't need it, but it's still a good read. Lesson 1. It's not about being smart. Whew, I guess I got lucky. It's more about behavior. Housel, the author, argues that financial success is much more about behavior than intelligence. So instead of drilling your kids on math, focus on helping them develop good money habits. Make saving a routine, just like brushing teeth. Speaking of saving, that brings us to lesson number 2. Saving beats earning. Here's a shocker, right? Your saving rate matters more than your income. Teach your kids it's not only about how much money comes in, but how much stays with you. Start with a simple piggy bank system and graduate to saving accounts as they grow older. Now, saving is great, but it's even more powerful when you, lesson 3, play the long game. Patience is a superpower in finance. Help your kids understand the magic of compound interest and long-term investing. Show them how small, consistent savings can snowball over time. And of course, life isn't always predictable, which leads us to lesson number 4. Life is a mix of skill and luck. Finance isn't all strategy. Luck plays a role too. Teaching kids about risk and uncertainty helps them become more resilient and adaptable. Use board games to illustrate this concept in a fun way. And finally, lesson number 5. True wealth is invisible. This is huge, folks, okay? Show your kids that the difference between appearing rich and being financially secure. It's not about keeping up with the Joneses. It's about building real, lasting wealth. Okay? Remember, these aren't just abstract concepts, okay? They're powerful tools that can shape your child's financial future. Start incorporating these lessons into your daily life and watch as your kids develop a healthy, balanced relationship with money. So, this is it, guys. The core insights from the Psychology of Money that can transform how you teach your kids about finance. If these ideas resonate with you, I highly recommend picking up a copy. The book obviously dives much deeper into each concept, providing fascinating stories and examples that can further enrich your family's financial discussions. I just wanted to give you a brief overview so you can make a decision whether or not this is something for you. If you found this helpful, don't forget to, you know the drill, like and subscribe for more family finance tips. And hey, drop a comment below with your favorite money lesson for kids. Let's learn from each other. Until next time, this is Camille Bank from Mini Money Mentors, helping you raise the next generation of financial superstars. Stay savvy, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.